Today, you will learn how to turn off track changes in a Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. At the top of the screen, you will see many tabs in the ribbon, such as Home, Insert, Design, and Review. Click on the Review tab because all tracking and reviewing tools are located there. Once you are inside the Review tab, look for the Tracking section. Here you will see the Track Changes button. If this button is highlighted, that means Track Changes is currently on. Simply click on Track Changes once and it will turn off. From now on, Word will stop recording your edits. You can test this by typing something in the document and noticing that Word no longer shows any colored lines or comments. Sometimes you may notice that the Track Changes button is grayed out and you cannot click it. This happens when the document author has locked Track Changes with a password. In this situation, you will need the password to unlock it. To do this, stay in the Review tab, click on the small arrow under Track Changes and choose Lock Tracking from the menu. A small window will appear asking for a password. Enter the password provided by the document owner and click OK. Once unlocked, you can now click Track Changes to turn it off normally. Now that Track Changes is turned off, you may still see old tracked edits in your document. Turning off Track Changes does not remove the previous edits. It only stops new ones from being recorded. If you want to clean your document completely, you need to either accept or reject all existing changes. In the Review tab, you will see the Accept and Reject options. Click on Accept and choose Accept All Changes if you want to keep all edits permanently. Or click on Reject and choose Reject All Changes if you want to remove all edits and return to the original content. If you accidentally choose the wrong option, don't worry. Immediately press Ctrl-Z on your keyboard to undo the action. There is another situation many beginners face. They turn off Track Changes, but when they print the document, all the markup still appears on the paper. This happens because Word is set to print markup by default. To fix this, click on File in the top left corner and go to the Print section. In the Print settings, click on Print All Pages. You will see an option called Print Markup. Simply uncheck this option. Now, when you print the document, none of the tracked changes or comments will appear on the printed copy. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with others who struggle with this problem, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials.